I've been doing a lot of hair evaluation recently, and I've seen how these evaluations have helped me to transform my natural hair from what it used to look like to this beautiful, healthy, natural hair that you guys are seeing right now. Please do pay attention to the health and the ends of my hair. Like, the ends of my hair are the focus of today's video, because it was almost like I would just cut my hair to some certain length and start over again. But right now, I'm feeling like my hair is back to life. So the ends of my hair, you're gonna see pictures of how it was before and how it's looking right now. I've shared in my previous video how a lot of things that I was doing was damaging my hair, and I had to stop doing a lot of those things, especially as regards to hair loss, hair thinning, split ends, breakage. I shared a lot of the things that I did that was, damaging my natural hair. But I'm proud to come up here now, guys, and show you guys my hair, the transformation that has occurred, within this couple of months that I've been giving my hair the proper treatment that it needs, that it deserves. I'm going to be putting side by side pictures so that you guys could do this evaluation with me and have like a comparison between how my hair was before and how it is now as regards to those factors that I've just mentioned. This is not about length or anything, but it's mostly about the thickness of each of my twists compared to what it used to be before, when I used to jump on trends, do things that are detrimental to my natural hair. I'm not saying that jumping on trends are the issues behind your setbacks in your natural hair journey, but I'm just sharing my own experience with you guys so you can see what I'm talking about in practical. So this is not just saying by mouth, I'm also showing you guys pictorial evidence of what I think my hair is now to me, or what has changed also in my natural hair growth. So I've stopped doing quite a number of things, and if you've been following my videos, you will understand what I'm trying to say. If you have not been following my videos, please don't misquote me here. Don't mistake what I'm saying for something else. Just go back and watch my other videos so you can have an idea of what I'm trying to express in this video. So as you can see, my twists are looking straight, like from top to bottom. They are even as I'm twisting this section, you can see the ends are looking full, thick and uniform. So unlike what my hair used to be like, I'll be twisting my hair before and I'll be ashamed of showing you guys how I twist to the finish, because the ends are always thinner, like very thin. I know it's natural for the ends of your hair to be a little bit thinner than the roots of your hair or the middle part, yes, but mine was awkward. Like, it was so embarrassing. It was something that I was never proud of showing. Just go back and watch my old videos, you understand what I'm trying to say. So the ends of my hair are always awkward because of split ends, because of knots, because of breakage. And at that time, I love to preserve the so-called length of my hair. So I don't trim my hair as often as I should. Even when my hair is damaged, I like to leave it, and just trim maybe twice or thrice in a year. But I started doing something different recently, and that has brought about the result of what you guys are seeing. I've been dusting the ends of my hair. So if you've noticed, if you've been watching my video, you see that I've been dusting my ends frequently each time I want to twist, and that has helped me to maintain the health of every single twist you're seeing. Yeah, so I don't have to struggle with those split ends anymore, because What happens is that you may think that you're preserving the length of your hair, but what you're actually doing is keeping yourself stuck at a particular length for a long period of time. Like your hair is not going to go further than that. That's because you're keeping ends that are already damaged, and what they are doing is further damaging the rest of your hair. I might not find that split ends all over my hair, so I'm just dusting what is necessary, what is very important for me to take out, and making sure that the health of my hair comes first before length. My hair is more healthier. This is a major change in my hair growth journey. I just finished twisting my hair and I was so in love with the way my hair had turned out, the thickness of the ends of my hair, better than before, a few months back. And I just decided to just show you guys, for you guys to see some of the things I've been sharing in the past couple of weeks. If you've not been watching it, please go back and watch those videos. You will understand better. And I've been putting all of those things into practice. And seeing the ends of my hair after making this twist, I have to show you guys, what less is more, what it actually means, and what it's doing to my natural hair. So I hope you guys find this helpful. I hope you're encouraged if you're in that stage in your hair growth journey where you feel like you can't do this anymore, it's difficult, you can't go on. Just take a leap of faith and be encouraged by this video, and I'm sure that you're going to be glad that you did. So if you enjoyed today's video, please give this video a thumbs up, drop your comments below, let me know what are your hair challenges, and if you have any question, also let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.